Welcome back, Truck and Riders. Today we are going to see yet another interesting product. This is our jerry can for adventure travel. We have three models in this category. This is the 3 liter one, and this is the 5 liter capacity one, and finally this is the 10 liter one. Jerry cans are normally used in adventure travel to carry your fuel or water, any other liquids. These are imported jerry cans, and these are manufactured according to international standards. This is very heavy duty and not like your normal plastic cans. This comes in various colors, and currently we have the 3 liter in red color, 5 liter in black color, and the 10 liter in olive green color. Normally the 3 and 5 liters ones are used in motorcycle travel because for a motorcycle you can't fix a big 10 liter one. So you can either attach 2 3 liter one on either side of the bike, or you can carry 2 5 liter jerry cans on either side of the bike. And the 10 liter is commonly used for 4-wheel drive, your Jeeps, SUVs, and any kind of typical overland trips. Now let's see the major parts of this jerry can. This is a jerry can cap, and this is same size and same dimension for all the three. So let's see. So this is open like this, and this is another second part of this cap, and then you have the pipe here. So once this is filled, let's see how to pour this fuel from this jerry can to your vehicle. For that, you have to put this the other way around. It will come like this. So once this is tightened like this, so now it's easy to pour petrol through this tube. While you are pouring the fuel, ensure that this small cap is also opened a bit, because this is the air valve. If this is fully tight, then fuel won't be flowing freely. I'll show you this one. It's a air valve like this. So you can just keep it open a bit for pouring the fuel. This is how the cap has to be fitted for pouring the fuel. So you can take this out like this, and you just put this second part like this. Okay. So that's it. So this cap is same for all the three models. Similar cap one side, and the other end you will have the air vent for all the models. It's all same, only the capacity and the colors are different, but this valve and the caps are same for all the models. Now let us see the mounts which are coming along with the jerry cans. These are the different kind of mounts used to mount the jerry can on your vehicle. The 3 and 5 liter one comes with a mount like this. This is the mount. So the size is same for 3 and 5 liter. Basically this will go like this, and from the other side you lock it. So this is how the mounted jerry can looks on the vehicle. Long bolt, and this side, this 4 slots, this will be fixed onto the vehicle. I'll just explain how that is getting fixed onto the vehicle. So this got 4 slots, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. In case you are fixing this onto a flat surface, on a metal piece or on a vehicle, a specially designated place on a vehicle, on a flat surface like this, you can directly bolt this 4 slot, directly use a bolt on this 4 slot to fix it to a flat surface. Suppose on a motorcycle, like a crash guard or a sari guard, or you're planning to fix it on a round pipe, then this 2 U-clamps will help you to do that. Basically how this is done is, this U-clamps got threads here. See, like this U-clamps can get into the 4 slots like this, and any round pipe or anything, like on the bike, if you have given provision like this, the pipe will go here and this will get fixed, and this comes with all required small nuts and a washer like this, and you can tighten all the 4 slots, all the 4 points. So this is how the mount is getting fixed on a round pipe. Okay, this is a mount for the 10-liter one. It's a bigger size one, and also this comes with a lock and key. So the thing is, if you fix this on since it's a big size and carrying more fuel, this comes with a lock and key, so you can lock it and take it out. Otherwise, other than the lock and key, the system is same, like show you how the lock, removable lock. This is a removable lock. You just take it. This is the lock. So this mechanism is acting as the lock. So you just take this guy out. This also has these 4 slots, which I explained like earlier. On a flat surface, you can directly bolt on this to any flat surface on the vehicle. Once you put that bolt, this will go like this. Once this is fixed on this side is fixed, jerry can will go like this, and from the other side this will come like this, and your this position, this screw will come like this. So this is the position. Once so now it is strong, so you can lock it like this, and after tightening, you can put the lock, unlock it. So now without the key, you won't be able to open the mount. So these are the 3 models available with us. You can log on to www.truckandraide.in and buy these products online. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting products.